Is it time to buy or sell China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore China Liberal Education Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has identified China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 11.34%. This equates to an average return of 3.78% per day since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With the trend now broken, there will be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at 0.201. A reaction back to this level might provide a second chance to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 25% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 52.3% and 5,904.37%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative 51.18% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 100% and 8,321.15%. This translates to a price range of 0 to 13.89 after a year. Our latest daily update for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited includes the headline, Volatile Ride for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price on Monday, moving between 0.165 and 0.190. The China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price fell by 17.5% on the last day, which was Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, dropping from 0.200 to 0.165. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.09%, ranging from a low of 0.165 to a high of 0.190. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 96.71% over this period. Volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with price movements. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 186 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.29 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $52.05, and the lowest was 0.130. Currently, the price is 99.68%, or $51.89, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $2,353.34, below the all-time high recorded on August 28, 2020, when the price peaked at $2,353.50. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, trading under the NASDAQ symbol CLEU, has recently experienced significant developments that can impact its stock price both in the short and long term. On the 13th of January, 2025, the company announced that it has regained compliance with NASDAQ's minimum bid price requirement, closing a previous deficiency issue. This news is crucial as it restores investor confidence, allowing the stock to stabilize and potentially rally, especially after recent volatility marked by its price decline. Regaining compliance could attract renewed interest from institutional investors who typically avoid stocks at risk of delisting. Moreover, the company's share consolidation plan, announced in December 2024 and reaffirmed in January 2024, is aimed at increasing the per-share price, which may provide a perception of strength and stability. However, share consolidations can often be viewed with caution, as they sometimes signal underlying issues with share price performance and investor sentiment. In terms of the financial health of the company, recent reports indicate a drop in revenues due to project terminations, underscoring challenges in maintaining growth. This could weigh on future earnings and consequently sentiment around the stock in the longer term. Investors may want to monitor these developments closely as they unfold. Analysts have assigned China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 30th, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 11.34%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near-term outlook. The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited displays sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected from the levels at $4.36 and $3.90. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price on the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 24 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 148 thousandths. With no support from accumulated volume below this level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 24,900ths between its highest and lowest points, or 15.09%. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 154.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's review the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited is at $0.002. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, China Liberal Education Holdings Limited encounters its first support level at 148 hundredths of a dollar. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a good buy? The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the the 4th of February, we expect China Liberal Education Holdings Limited to open at 830 cents and begin trading at 173 cents. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.